pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Trappe local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you need to move 1,000 miles away or 3,000 miles, we have the right long-distance movers for you. Our long-distance movers have the expertise in moving and loading items from old places to new places. You can focus on other things while we handle your moving. Hiring a local Trappe moving company is not an easy decision to make. You can do it all by yourself, but it involves a lot of things to be done. Boxes still need to be packed, and lifting is not something an individual can do by himself. Therefore, hire a local moving company to avoid packing, lifting, and transporting your stuff to your new home. 3 Movers is a local moving company that will get you moved to your new destination in no time. Our moving experts are trained in such a way as to provide you with the most comfortable moving experience. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Trappe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.